Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Jack stands are essential for safe car maintenance, providing stability when working under a vehicle. With safety, durability, and ease of use in mind, here are the top 5 jack stands for 2025, designed to appeal to every car user, from DIY enthusiasts to professionals. These selections are based on weight capacity, height range, safety features, and overall value, ensuring you can confidently lift and maintain your vehicle. Number 5. ProLift T6903D Double Locking Jack Stands. The ProLift T6903D is an excellent budget-friendly option for small to medium-sized vehicles. With a 6,000-pound, 3-ton capacity per pair, these stands are ideal for sedans and compact SUVs. They feature a double locking pin system, including a primary ratchet and a secondary safety pin, enhancing security during use. The height range spans 11.25 to 16.75 inches, suitable for most cars but less ideal for taller vehicles. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a welded frame, they offer durability and a large saddle for better vehicle contact. Their affordability and safety features make them a favorite for home mechanics looking for reliable, no-frills stands. Towever, the footpads may sink into softer surfaces like asphalt, so use on a hard, level surface is recommended. Number 4. RED Torin T43202 Heavy-Duty Steel Jack Stands. The RED Torin T43202 stands are a versatile choice for those needing robust support at a reasonable price. Rated at 6,000 pounds, 3 tons, per pair, they're suitable for sedans, crossovers, and light SUVs. The stands offer a height range of 11.25 to 16.75 inches, with a multi-position ratchet bar for quick adjustments and a locking pin for added safety. Made from heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, they resist rust and ensure long-term durability. These stands meet ASME safety standards, making them a dependable choice for DIYers who prioritize safety without breaking the bank. Number 3. Torin BlackJack T43004 Aluminum Jack Stands. For those seeking lightweight portability, the Torin BlackJack T43004 aluminum jack stands are a standout. With a 6,000-pound, 3-ton capacity, they're perfect for smaller vehicles and unibody cars. Their height range of 10.75 to 15.5 inches makes them ideal for low-clearance vehicles, with 6 locking positions for flexibility. Weighing just over 5 pounds each, their aluminum construction and anodized finish ensure corrosion resistance and easy transport. The pin-type adjustment is stronger than ratcheting mechanisms, though it limits fine height tweaks. The flat saddle with a rubber pad protects vehicle frames, but the thin footpads may scratch soft surfaces, so caution is advised on coated garage floors. Number 2. ESCO 10499 Performance Jack Stands. The ESCO 10499 stands are a premium choice for safety-conscious users working on low-profile cars. With a 6,000-pound, 3-ton capacity, they feature a tripod design with a wide base for superior stability. The height range of 13.2 to 21.5 inches accommodates various vehicles, though the minimum height may be too tall for some low-clearance cars. The removable flat-top rubber saddle prevents frame damage, and the locking pin ensures secure positioning. While the welds may appear less polished, they're structurally sound with no reported failures. These stands are pricier but offer peace of mind for professionals and enthusiasts who value quality and stability. Number 1. Sunex Tools 10-Ton High-Height Jack Stands. Topping the list, the Sunex Tools 10-Ton High-Height Jack Stands are ideal for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. With a 20,000-pound, 10-ton capacity per pair, they handle heavy loads with ease. The height range of 28.1 to 46.5 inches is perfect for lifted vehicles, offering unmatched versatility. The pin-through-tube design ensures rock-solid stability, and the wide base prevents tipping. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, these stands are built to last, though their weight makes them less portable. For users working on taller or heavier vehicles, these stands provide unmatched safety and reach, making them the best choice for 2025. These jack stands cater to a range of needs, ensuring safety and reliability for all car users. Always verify your vehicle's weight and lift height requirements, and use stands on a hard, level surface for maximum safety. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.